Can you tell me who they all are?
I don't know. A buddy.
Who's this?
Yeah.
And who's this?
Baby.
Who?
Baby.
And who's this?
Duna.
Okay, and who else is there? Show me who else is there.
Duna.
Now that's not Joseph, he's a shepherd. Okay. Yeah, that's Joseph next to baby Jesus. And who's this?
You.
Uh-huh. And what's this?
Bubble.
And this?
A doggy.
And what's this?
A sheep.
What?
Sheep.
A sheep? And who are these three guys?
These guys.
Yeah, who are they?
Why is it?
Wise it?
Yeah.
Wise men.
Why is it?
Okay, very good.
Whoa.
And where are you going now? Are you helping me take the Christmas decorations down?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. You going to go help Granddad now? Did you pick up all the pine cones? Were there some big ones?